Hello from Tennessee. We are here for about a week for Christmas, and today we are touring Franklin. It is such a cute little town. We'll show you guys around, and I'll have a little vlog this week to show you guys what we are up to, and yeah. Today we are in Franklin. It's this cute little town. We're walking through downtown right now. Is everyone enjoying their coffee?
Delicious. Mine's pecan banana.
Oh yay. And she made me get and she told me to get the banana latte. It was pretty good. I don't know, it's a little too coffee-y for me. So now we stopped by a little sweets shop. Finishing our walk through downtown Franklin, got some little goodies that I'm gonna bring back, and now I think we're just heading back home for the night. So see you tomorrow. Day 2 in Nashville, Tennessee for Christmas. Today is a chill at home day, so I am watching a little baking show. You already know my faves, and we are going to attempt to make tamales today. Let me show you. We've started the process early this morning, or should I say my sister started the process. We have the pork cooking in the slow cooker. I brought the instant masa to make later. My dad brought frozen red chili from home. So that is we're gonna defrost that, but look how rich that looks. And then I took I had to go buy a tamale steamer from the little Mexican grocery store, and that went on a whole journey on the plane. Here it is. We have cleaned her, and she is just waiting to steam our tamales. But that is the deal today. We're just gonna be home chilling, and then my husband Dante is going to arrive here at midnight tonight. So hopefully we'll have all of the prep work and maybe some tamales ready for him by the time he gets here. I have to show you guys all of my sister's appliances. They're all matching. Like, how cute is this? Sis, tell us about these appliances.
First off, they're beautiful. You know, the brand is literally called Beautiful.
Oh my god.
The B for Beautiful. It's Drew Barrymore's line at Walmart. And they're honestly pretty affordable. They work really great. We've had the coffee machine that's over here since we got married. So
like a year and a half.
Yeah. And then same with the toaster and the blender.
Oh my god, the blender that's hiding over there. Dude, that is so cool.
Really great. And they're really like sleek, modern looking.
Look at the toaster.
You can adjust all the settings.
How much was the toaster? Do you remember? I
don't remember. We were gifted a few of the appliances, but yeah. I
feel like that toaster looks expensive. So cool. I'm just in awe because my appliances at home are like crusty, dusty, musty. She is a bread-winning housewife, truly.
Everything is on brand here.
Christmas with the parents. Phone's going off. Mom listening to videos on full volume. Just trying to calmly watch a little show. Do some work. The time has come for us to start prepping the tamales. So me and my dad are working on the chili sauce right now. I'm going to soak the corn husks, and then we pulled some of the pork out of the slow cooker, and we're gonna start getting everything ready. Okay, you guys, I think we finished our tamale ingredients. We have the pork and red chili in here. We have our masa that I, handcrafted with a little help of the instant flour, corn flour, whatever it is. And then the little corn husks are ready. So we're just waiting for the chili to cool off, or the pork to cool off, and then we're gonna start preparing our tamales. All right, here we go.
Did you want to use?
Yeah.
We have our first batch of tamales cooking right now. I'm nervous, you guys. Still have about an hour left, so we have some more ready to go in.
Doesn't. Oh.
Woo! It's for your vlog. Thank you. What do you have to say? Hey guys! I'm tired.
Tamale B-roll.
Here is the face of someone who did not want to participate in the tamale making. How dare you?
No.
Okay. Okay, and it's a da-da-da-da.
John, shark.
Actually, that really
He's a rock and roller. He's a rooster.
Good morning. Good morning. Look who made it to Nashville. And he's the first one actually to try the tamales. So how are they?
Pretty good.
Really?
Syrup.
Ew. Do you just dip them in syrup? Interesting.
Weird flex, but okay.
It's a little rainy today. We're going to downtown Nashville for the Broadway area. So that'll be fun. How are our tamales?
They were good, just needed a little salt.
Okay. Looks like they were good.
They were good.
And sister dear, what are you making?
I saw an Instagram recipe on the Hawaiian rolls, or the King's Hawaiian rolls. And they're little mini French toast, so hopefully they come out okay. I thought they were so cute, so.
A King's Hawaiian roll, French toast. Walking through Broadway, there is live music everywhere. It's so cute. We came to a Italian place to get pizza though, so
Classic Nashville.
classic Nashville. Luigi's Pizza. We ordered a few pizzas. We're gonna hang out here for a bit. My dad's watching the Steelers game. Hopefully they win. Let's see how the pizza looks. Don't ask your question.
Is he still alive? Is he the #1 country artist of all time or something?
We're trying.
I'm from California, so we don't know who Johnny Cash is. Country.
The Elvis of country.
Like the Jay-Z of hip hop.
No, Elvis was country. Well, he's rock.
He's kind of blues.
Yeah.
Did he go to prison or something?
He's been to prison.
Because why is
What
there a little
year?
prison
Johnny
thing?
Cash, like, has,
1968. So apparently that's when he was around.
He was a baby. That's why it's a baby one.
the real reason why I'm a huge fan of Johnny Cash is what he actually overcame: drug addiction, all kinds.
Hey
of
Siri.
The dude was
Hey Siri.
cool. I mean, there's as much of it.
Oh. Honky Tonk Central.
One side of the bands called me, and he was like, "We are so short-handed." I said, "Fuck it, man. I'll stay in town. I'll put."
What do you think of Broadway, Nashville?
It's cool. A lot of lights in Nashville.
It's like Baby Vegas, but like country version.
but-
No?
It has its own vibe.
Okay. I've never found my name on any of these. Have you?
Never.
Never. We have that in
Never.
common.
Never.
We'll never see a Reyes on
Never
here.
seen an ethnic name.
Maybe in Mexico.
Maybe.
Those are actually really cute. Oh my gosh.
Remember, it's a whole heap better to do all the things you think you should than to spend the rest of your life wishing you had.
Google it next time.
Just go to Panda Express next time.
There you go.
Well, I made the family come to Bojangles. We're waiting for our family meal. Dante wants to get a pic to send to his family because this is our little treat when we go out there too. So we're gonna get a little pic for him.
Yeah. That'll
Yes,
be a Christmas present for somebody, right? Wrap it with a ribbon.
That's right.
And we wouldn't be mad about it either.
That's
Man.
right.
Everybody buckled up.
No.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the ugliest
Can't wait for you
escalator.
guys.
So
Look at the family meal comes with
See?
Bojangles plates. The cups, please. Oh my gosh. Wow. The sides. What is that?
the biscuits.
Biscuits. Those are so good.
Your sides.
Okay.
Little gravy for the mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
That legendary sweet tea.
Legendary. It says it on there.
Dirty rice.
Oh gosh. Wait, it looks so cute on the table too. It's bow time, you guys. It's Christmas Eve! We're walking to Serena and Richie's church, the Belonging Co. Now we are at the Opryland Hotel. This is inside. This is an atrium. There's cute little waterfalls everywhere. There's places to eat. Let's see. inside a Vegas casino. The little restaurants and stuff. It's the Bellagio.
This is the biggest thing I've seen.
The biggest thing you've seen in Nashville?
Yeah. Besides the state Nissan Stadium.
Yeah. You guys, look what I found! A Frosties! What's going on over here?
I'm working on winning.
It's a very intense game.
Blue.
Oh, Lena, you look at my cards. Oh my god. Oh no. Ah.
Merry Christmas! Merry Chrysler!
Merry Chrysler. Merry Chrysler.
Merry, whoa, can't see. Merry Chrysler.
This is what it feels like it's raining in LA.
Yeah.
Also this, because I got sick. Thank you.